Chris Silverman, extraordinary human. Today I'm building a deck gate. So I'm not really wanting to do a how-to video, but I do want to show you the process. I think I just need to relieve myself of the pressure of having to make sure that I take you through the process seamlessly and effortlessly and effectively and efficiently, and I think the stress of that is too much for me right now because I've never done a how-to before. But it should be pretty simple. I know how to build one of these things, and if you're really wanting to learn and watch me and my process, this is how I'm going to custom make this thing. And right now I'm just putting on my saw blades and making sure my tools are all in order. And so the reason why I'm adding these supports is because if you're going to attach a gate here and here for the hinges to go on here or on this side, whichever side I decide, there's nothing to attach it down here. That's why I'm adding in these posts. It's not level. This thing is leaning wonky. Gotta fix it because I don't want my door to be wonky. My gate. There's a Bible verse that says, "Enter in by the way of the straight gate." Ha! Alright, now what I did for this side, I did for this side. Now that's going to give the gate something to stick to. Alright, now I'm going to measure the gate dimensions from the top right underneath here to the bottom. Maybe here, I might put a 2x4 on top of it. I'm kind of planning this as I go, which I don't advise. Now, I want to make it very similar to the way that they made it, and so I'm going through and I'm measuring them 5-inch centers because that's the way they got theirs. I'm going through and I'm marking them, and I'm taking a screw and screwing them in through the bottom. Now that's not quick, that's not zippy, it takes a little time, a little energy, a little precision to make sure that they're centered and they're on their marks. So that's what I'm doing. The bottom half, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do the top half. And so, see you in a minute. Guys, I've got the gate. I've got these things right here assembled. I've got the bottom half, the top half, and what goes on top of here is going to be essentially a deck board just like this one right here. And I want to show you real quick the end pieces. There's a hole right here, so you can see. To fix that, I'm gonna put one of these in here. so it'll be a nicer, cleaner finish. And then the last step is to put your hinges and stuff on, and your latches and all that. Alright, now we are at the stage that I like to call improvising. Now I had previously put this board, the bottom board, on top of here, and quickly realized that I can't screw this big old fat thing on here like this. So I'm going to do something a little different. It's just part of the process. It's right around break time. I think I got a little bit of a mess here. Can't find my Phillips head bit. Found it. So we shall continue. Alright guys, this is, we got the top hinge on, just to get the bottom hinge on. This is why you make a plan. So you don't have to improvise. Improvision number 2. The customer requested that the hinges not be on this side, but on this side. So now I'm gonna swap. Let's do it. I put blocks of wood underneath to hold it up, and then I make sure that I have my level on top, and I adjust it for an appropriate level. So I'm gonna screw in this last hinge down here and finish the hardware on this other side. And then I'll have to go to the Home Depot or the Lowe's or the local hardware store and get a deck board just like this one to put on top. Let's do it. I got that screwed in, and let me clarify, you don't want this thing to be straight up level. You actually want, if the hinges are on this side, you want this side to be raised slightly a little higher to allow so that over time this thing's gonna sag. So you want it to be raised up a little bit higher to prevent that sagging. So that's it. Glad I caught that. Was able to tell you. Alright my friends, that is everything. I've got the top board on, got the new latches in, and it opens, closes appropriately. Thanks for watching.